Are you wondering how I did this look for less? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Hi everybody, my name is Ruby and welcome to my channel where I show you how to do DIYs, mom hacks, and lifestyle videos. But today I'm going to actually try something different. It's called the Look for Less Challenge, hosted by your girl Yami from the Latina Next Door, co-hosted by Christina K. Both are very talented ladies. I will link their YouTube channels down below in the description box, along with the playlist with other YouTubers that are talented doing the Look for Less Challenge. So today I wanted to try to do the Pottery Barn dupe of these succulents on the wall. It cost $139 and I would never buy that for that much money, and I could probably make it, that's what I thought. And actually I did for $17. But with that said, go ahead and watch the rest of this clip. I'll show you how to do it. I went ahead and got my supplies from the Dollar Tree, and I got 15 succulents. I went ahead and got this frame from the Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and painted the borders of the frame with white paint that I got from Walmart, along with this brown paint. And first I did one coat, let it dry, did a second coat of white, let it dry, and then I was trying to do the dry brush technique, but I put too much brown paint on the actual paint brush. So after I put the brown paint on the actual edging, I thought, oh boy, this is way too much paint. So I got a paper towel and I wiped it off, and it was perfect, the exact thing I wanted, which is a distressed wood look. And then I let that dry. Got the succulents that I had bought, pulled out the stem from the pot, then cut each one out. Go ahead and try to rearrange them the way you like, and I used my glue gun. I went ahead and glue gunned each one of the succulents onto the back of the picture frame. I like to recycle and reuse things that I have around the house. So I had a picture frame from the Dollar Tree that had broken. So I threw obviously the broken frame, but the backing of it had these little hooks that I cut out. Sorry, it's out of frame. That was my fault. But I cut them with scissors. I tried to glue them on the back, on the reverse side, which is the front side of the frame, if that makes sense. But I realized that the backing of the board was not sticking with the glue gun to the MDF board, which is the actual frame. So I ended up getting one of the nails. I actually used two to nail it in, and it worked perfect. So this is how it turned out. Liked my DIY, guys. I plan on doing this more often. I actually really like doing these challenges, and I feel like I'm talented enough to do so. But if you do, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll see you next video. Bye.